Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a balloon animal dog. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. And if you're new here, I would really love if you would subscribe. That would be awesome. But it's up to you. So let's get started. Let's see. Let's start right here. I'm going to do an oval. There's lots of ovals. Okay. And then we're going to do almost like a little triangle right here. And do a little line here, a little curve. And now right here, let's do another oval about the same length as this one that we did earlier. Like that. And we're going to have another one here in behind. Like that. And next, let's start on the neck. Now, before we finish this part, we're going to do an arm or a front leg. So it's another oval. And then another one here in the back. And now right here we can curve down. And now we're going to give a little bit of space for the body. And we're going to start with the back leg. So it's another oval. And now we can do that body shape here. And now we're going to do another leg. And now a tail. And our tail, we're going to have a little itty bitty small end here. All right, so we're done our sketch and now we're going to get started with coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our balloon dog. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye.